task obviously was to figure out who it is who would be the best person to direct this material. And honestly, after a lot of soul searching and, thinking through various options, we narrowed in on the one person who has been able to, he is one of the most versatile directors that we have in this industry. He's handled virtually every genre of cinema in his, in his career. And I think, the film that he started out with, Kal Ho Na Ho, was something that, convinced us that this was a script that deserves to be helmed by no one other than Nikhil Advani. And so we thought that Nikhil was the best person to do this.
Where do directors get opportunity like that to do this kind of, to work with this kind of material? Obviously very thankful to, for me to get the first person I wanted to play the role of Maddie, and that was Imran Khan. I didn't want anybody else. Nobody else.
Who's looking very dapper in his suit. Superb.
And he read it, he said it's rubbish. And I said, let me narrate it to you. Let me narrate it to you, please. And I went, we narrated it to him, and then he just said, okay, it's very, very different from when you read it. And I'm glad that he's said okay. And of course, Kangana Ranaut, who at the end of my 2.5 hour narration turned around and said that we should try this, we should do this, we should. And I said, I said, thank God she has said yes. So let Imran Khan and Kangana Ranaut.
इस फिल्म पर काम करते मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया. निखिल, कंगना, दोनों के साथ मेरी बहुत अच्छी वर्किंग रिलेशनशिप थी, एंड आई हैव हैड सच अ पॉजिटिव टाइम. इट्स रियली रिमाइंडेड मी ऑफ द लव दैट आई हैव फॉर मूवीज. कट्टी बट्टी, more than most other films that I've done, it has made me feel very happy and fulfilled, made me feel very satisfied, and it reminds me every day, this is why we sleep for 3 hours and wake up and go to work. This is why we put ourselves out on the line. It's a film which is very, very close to my heart.
Totally. Because when ever since we were kids, we used to katti batti. So yeah, it does. That's what life is, what love is, what their relationship is, which is up, down, sometimes, and then once it breaks, then it comes back together. That's what katti batti is all about.
It's not one of those regressive love stories where, you see those very cliche sort of scenarios and scenes and storyline. So it's very urban, and we all can identify with it, the way the characters are, and yeah, I did identify with it.
मैं अपनी फिल्म से कभी expectation रखता ही नहीं हूँ, because there is no way to know what will happen. उम्मीदें बहुत है, क्योंकि ये फिल्म मेरे लिए बहुत ख़ास है. जैसे कि मैंने कहा, I have had one of the best working experiences of my entire career while working on this film. So the film means a lot to me emotionally. अब आप लोगों को पसंद आए ना आए, ये हमारे हाथ में नहीं है. I don't know what will happen. But whatever happens, I can say that this is a film which means a lot to me, and I'll always hold my head up very, very high and say with great pride that this is my film.
Well, the thing is कि चूसी तो इंसान हमेशा ही होना चाहेगा, चाहे आप सक्सेसफुल हो चाहे नहीं. ये बात अलग है, आपके पास कभी ऑप्शंस होते हैं, कभी नहीं. तो पहले मेरे पास ऑप्शंस नहीं थे. उसका मतलब ये नहीं था कि मैं चूज़ी और प्राइसी नहीं होना चाहती थी. अब ऑप्शंस है, तो अब आई कैन अफोर्ड टू बी चूज़ी एंड प्राइसी. लेकिन ऐसा आप हमेशा सोचते हैं, लेकिन जब आपको वाकई में कोई स्क्रिप्ट पसंद आती है, तो जैसे निखिल सर ने कहा, विदाउट इवन थिंकिंग ट्वाइस, प्राइस के बारे में या मेरा रोल क्या है या किस कैरेक्टर का ज़्यादा रोल है, you just get so involved. It's like falling in love, or you just don't know about consequences.